So, are you gonna...
I mean, I don't actually.
You're gonna have Falco Enemy, and then Fox Enemy,
No.
and then we'll play the game?
No. I'm gonna play more the whole time. Sorry, dude.
You garbage-ass piece of shit.
I haven't fucking gotten to play, so I'm gonna play more. I want to win.
Yeah, I will say actually gets
Well, that, I mean, that won't happen.
I mean,
That's like
parallel universe.
Yeah. Oh, yo, sick. Yo, who's not? Let me comment.
Oh, Graham.
Oh yeah, I've never got console play.
So we got the bird and console. Sick tag.
Disney Bird.
So, oh, shining on him.
Is he crying yet?
He's not crying yet, but because he just got new. Consul's movement is looking good. I don't think I've seen.
Never seen his Falcon.
I haven't seen his Falcon, so this is pretty cool to see.
He came over to our house or your house.
No, Consul.
Oh.
His Falcon.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because he usually plays Pikachu.
Well, he's been playing Falcon all day today.
Oh, the chat pressure. All right. Good grab. I wonder if Consul's got those gentlemen's down. Probably not, but fishing. Let me get a chair. We can have white noise. Say something, Jay. Say something. Say something. Jesus Christ. Choke City J over here.
I don't know, it was a pretty high pressure sitch. It was a pretty high pressure sitch. Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that should be a dead Falcone. Tries to go for the swag. Consul's looking pretty good there at the beginning. Yeah.
He better change his name to
Oh my god, your sensitivity is
I'm gonna be so salty with you guys.
What?
Alright, Yoshi's. I don't know how, if this is super great for Falcon, but
Maybe he just likes the stage.
I mean, that's also super valid, so yeah, definitely.
In this matchup, though, it's forgot. I feel like this stage is really bad.
Yeah, no, I would agree too, but
What stages does Falcon like in this stage?
Dreamland.
This
And,
matchup, Dreamland for sure.
oh, red, yeah, definitely go for that side smash. Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Against
Oh, get him!
probably second.
Swagging a little too hard. Man, shit. Yeah, this stage. Yeah, I feel like this stage is really good for Disney right here. If he's especially he's got his movement on point. So.
Are we able to add people in? Like, can we throw
I mean, not really. We would have to reset the bracket.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can't really at this point. I mean, it's not that far. I mean, it would affect the first round.
Yeah, that's true. That's really...
Yeah.
Okay, what were you saying?
Just pillaring the shit out of him. My goodness. Oh, sick. Oh! I was so ready for that. Who'd you play against? Huh?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I play slow now. I can play 2 Peaches in a row.
Yeah.
Sorry, man.
Oh! And that is a done Falcon.